Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel English Grammar for You. I hope you have enjoyed the previous video. Please continue to watch.
Here's a tutorial on the present perfect tense, along with additional examples. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions or events that happened at an indefinite time in the past, but the exact time is not specified or is considered to be connected to the present. It is often used to talk about experiences, achievements, or actions that have a result in the present. Here's an explanation of the present perfect tense, along with examples. Basic form and usage. The present perfect tense is formed by using the auxiliary verb have, in its appropriate form, followed by the past participle of the main verb. It is used to talk about past actions or events that have a connection to the present. Example: I have studied Spanish for 5 years. She has traveled to many countries. They have finished their homework. Completed actions with present relevance. The present perfect tense is often used to describe actions or events that have been completed in the past but have a connection to the present. Example: I have visited that museum before. I have the experience of visiting it. He has lost his keys. He cannot find them now. Unspecified time in the past. The present perfect tense is used when the exact time of the action or event is not mentioned or is not important. Example: have you ever been to Paris? At any time in the past. They have already eaten dinner. We don't know exactly when. Actions that started in the past and continue to the present. The present perfect tense is used for actions or events that started in the past and are still ongoing. Example: I have lived in this city since 2010. I still live here. She has worked for that company for 3 years. She still works there. Recent past actions. The present perfect tense can be used to talk about actions or events that happened in the recent past. Example: I have just finished reading the book. We have recently moved to a new apartment. Use of time expressions. Time expressions such as already, yet, just, recently, and so far are often used with the present perfect tense. Example: have you finished your homework yet? They have already seen the movie. I have just started a new job. Remember to use the appropriate form of the auxiliary verb have and the past participle of the main verb to construct sentences in the present perfect tense. I hope these additional examples help you understand the present perfect tense better.